my official purpose, I'm recording it, and I may or may not upload it. It depends on the situation. Please, yeah, look at these examples. These are all the examples that signify your intangibility aspect. Intangibility aspect. These are all the characteristics. Counseling, accounting, financial services, banking and insurance, data processing, legal services, voice, telephone. Okay, these are all the examples where, okay, you can only experience. You can only experience. Okay, you cannot have this touch. Okay, you cannot have this, the kind of tangibility aspect. Okay, hospitality, healthcare, tours and travel services, hotel management, restaurants, okay, plumbing services. Okay, these are all okay, some of the things that you can address about this intangibility aspect. You have any other examples you can quote, you can put it in the chat box. Okay, do you have any other examples with regard to intangibility aspect? Okay, these are all some of the examples that you can quote for. Do you have any other examples that you can think of that you can quote? Intangibility. I have given you, we have discussed more about intangibility, aspects. I'm just mentioning, okay, few of the examples with regard to intangibility. If not, I'll just continue. Okay, now inseparability, where you can have you can consume the services simultaneously together. Okay, the service provider and the service consumer cannot be separated. Look at the singer, teacher, doctor, plumber, electrician. There are some common factors. Okay, there's some kind of overlapping. Okay, that you can analyze it. Beauticians. Okay, yesterday I have given this example to you. Technicians, healthcare services, and okay, driving services, airplane trips. No, I hope this driving classes, driving. Okay, these driving classes. You know this example? There is Maruti driving school. There is some okay, other driving school where okay, you have to be physically present over there. Then only you can experience this. Otherwise, not possible. You are getting my example? Hello? You can put it in the chat box. You can unmute yourself and you can talk to me. Hello? Please interact. Please interact. Hello? Any problem? Am I audible or not?
Audible, sir.
Audible. If that is the case, you can write it in the chat box. I said about driving classes. Have you heard of this driving classes? I said the aspirant, the one who has to learn driving, and the one who coaches you, both should be present. Both should be present simultaneously together, okay, at the same time. And does music and film industry also come under intangibility? Yes, fine. Music and film industry, intangible aspects. Okay, I said entertainment altogether. Rishabh, okay, do you hear me? Rishabh, do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I said in entertainment industry.
Yes, sir.
Entertainment. All entertainment industries comes under services and they are highly intangible. And beauticians I just mentioned yesterday, and we'll just continue with the next slide. And perishability, services which are liable to perish after some time. After some time, no more they will exist. I said no more. This word I have used yesterday. No more you will be in a position to enjoy the services. they are perishable. They are going to perish. Or rather, I can say they are going to be cease to exist. One second. SEIZE, cease to exist. That's what exactly I mean. It's a perishable. And services are time dependent, which makes them perishable. They are available only for that time, that particular date, and that particular spot, that particular moment. They are available. After that, they are going to perish. They are going to see that they cease to exist means no more. I said. I think this is a simple word that you can able to understand. Services have zero inventory. You cannot store them. You cannot save them. You cannot stock them. No, zero inventory. Can you understand this word? Zero inventory. Can you make any comment on this? Anybody? Anybody in the class? Zero inventory. Inventory means something, okay, that you're going to have for your future use. You say, generally we say the stock, STOCK. Stock, storing, stores. Do you know these things? Hello? Quick man, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Zero inventory means to say that you cannot do that. No, you cannot store them, you cannot stock them, you cannot, okay, you cannot have any, what is called as shelf life for them at all. Only that particular time you can just use it. That's it. After that, they're going to cease to exist. No more, they'll be available. Okay, I use the word dead. They're going to be dead. Means there is no life for them. You cannot enjoy. There is no provision of stock piled as inventories of services. You cannot pile up the stock. Not possible. Okay, let us look at some of the examples. Perishability, repairs and maintenance, office cleaning services, laundry and cleaning. They're perishable. Okay, means to say that they are what is called as services. They are well known for their aspect of recurring. Again and again, okay, you will be having the demand for this. Demand gets recurring. Car services. Okay, you cannot say that, okay, 1 year back I got my car service, and even after 10 years also I cannot go for my car servicing. You cannot say that. After 6 months, like, yeah, exactly. Demand gets recurring. You'll be having recurring demand again and again. Laundry, cleaning, office cleaning services, housekeeping services, that perishable. Okay, housemates gottalla, mane clean madak bartaralva, mane kelsa madak bartaralva. Can you understand this? Mane kelsa madake, maids, maid services. Hello, are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
You cannot say that, okay, today, okay, your house got cleaned, okay, your floor has been cleaned, everything is set right. Okay, or even after 1 month also I can just like that. You cannot do that. They're perishable. They need to be addressed again and again. Need to be addressed again and again. Oftenly. On time based. These services are highly profitable. People need them on some periodical instances. People need them on periodical basis. Your mobile recharges, that perishable man, only for 1 month, 149 rupees, 28 days. That's it. Immediately after 26th day or 27th day, you'll start getting the messages saying that, okay, yeah, it's going to be expired by another 1 day, 2 days, and you need to charge them. You need to recharge them. These are all the examples for perishability. You cannot use them anymore after a certain period of time. Okay, repairs and maintenance, office cleaning purposes, laundry and cleaning. Okay, your mobile recharges. You can add several examples. Any other examples can you quote? Hello? Any other examples can you quote? Any other examples can you quote? Hello? Hello? Any other examples for perishability? Club membership. Wow, Superman. Club membership or managerial services problems or managerial service problems focused or concentrated. I'm not getting you. Please, no, come again. I'm not getting you. What exactly you need? What are you trying to ask? What are you trying to focus on? Manager problems and services. I'm not getting you, Manoj. Please elaborate. I'm not getting your question. Not able to understand your question and make it simple. What is that you need to focus on? Hello, Manoj. Unmute yourself. Manoj, unmute yourself. Talk to me. On the context of resolving problems, probably I can address this. Now I got some service issues. Yeah. And now I hope to some extent I got to know what exactly you're looking for. Okay, all these service related issues, there is something called as problems with regard to, okay, after sale service, okay, during the time of maintenance. Okay, all these things will be addressed maybe in the last or maybe 10, maybe 8th or 9th slide of this is this exam, this class. Okay, there you'll getting to know about the importance of MOS. In the importance of MOS, probably we are going to address okay, some of the things related to managerial aspect of services. Managerial aspect. There is a dilemma now. whether MOS is for management of services or it is only marketing of services. There are two things, whether it is management or marketing. Management or marketing or both. Is a dilemma to be addressed. Now, while discussing these aspects of managerial and marketing concerns of services, okay, we'll be discussing the problems too. We will be discussing the problems related to service issues. Is it okay? Manoj, got it? Manoj, artha aita? Okay, fine then. Please allow me to continue. I'll just go to the next slide. Now, this is another characteristic feature of this. This was not addressed in the last class. Okay, I've just stopped. Okay, during at the perishability and then not able to continue because of some other technical aspects. Basically, yesterday it was full of some technical problems and technical troubles. Okay, so many several issues were there, and today somehow all these things are resolved. I hope so. Now it's about heterogeneity. Heterogeneity means, okay, kind of differences. Heterogeneity is all about differentiation. If we say healthcare services, even though both of the doctors have studied equal degrees, both of the doctors done their MD from the same university, the services may differ. If you say, I don't want to mention this, but still, only for the sake of academic understanding, you can take an example. Okay, there are two teachers, X and Y. Both are equally qualified. Both are equally experienced. Both are equally good in the delivery, but somehow, okay, there seems to be some amount of differences in the delivery of their thoughts, delivery of their knowledge, delivery of their learning, delivery of the examples, and so on. Okay, you cannot expect a kind of homogeneity or homogeneous delivery of services. This homogeneity is absent totally in the case of services. That's what exactly heterogeneity is. Heterogeneity is the inherent basic characteristic of the service industry. Got my point? Hello, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is what exactly heterogeneity, yeah, non-unique. Okay, they're not same. Okay, I can say they're not same. Cannot be compared. Cannot be compared on the scale of equity. cannot say both are equal or both are not equal. Okay, they have their own way of addressing things. It is true in the case of healthcare, it's true in the case of academic services, it is true in the case of beauticians, it is true in the case of singers. No, and these music performers. I'm sorry, music, sorry. Even today, I love to see the old movies. Even today, okay, just for an example, I can quote, even today, I would like to see the old movies, 70s, 80s, that too, especially the Hindi and the Kannada and even some of the Tamil movies. I would like to see very much because, okay, they are something more special when compared to the modern young generation. Okay, you cannot compare them. The performances, even the performances, okay, of their there's a kind of differentiation. You cannot compare the modern with the olden days, even though both comes under entertainment aspects, but there's a difference, heterogeneity. Even the film actors, the performance, you can look at the old film actors, 70s, 80s, 60s, and the today's actors. Okay, maybe people may have their own I can say scale of measurement, but still, okay, there exists a kind of heterogeneity. You can take the examples. Okay, some of the old Hindi film actress, they are very great, very great, very impressive. Even today, okay, there are people who celebrate these actors. That's one example. I don't want to like to mention the names. Okay, some of other reasons, but okay, that's what exactly uh, the truth like. Am I right? Hello? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, services have the nature of diverse character and diverse elements. This diversity is the dynamics. Diversity of the delivery of services is the dynamic nature, is the dynamics of service and its elements of quality, or and its dimensions of quality. Is all of you read the chat box? Please, all of you read the chat box. I repeat it again for you. Diversity is the delivery of services. Diversity is some most important. Diversity is no, the delivery of services. Diversity is that there is some no. I needed to write it again. Diversity is the dynamics of. I have to read it and repeat it again. Diversity is the dynamics of service quality and its dimensions. Service quality, dynamics of service quality and its dimensions. Now the sentence is right. Please check it. Diversity is the dynamics. You can have within the quotes. You got it? Hello? Have you got it? Yes or no? Please reply, respond. Hello? Diversity is the dynamics. Rishabh is responding quickly, but I don't know about the rest. There are so many, Abhishek, Ananya, Arjun. There are so many, around 26 people are there here, and only Rishabh is responding quickly. And what about the rest? Are you not willing to participate? Hello, the rest. Are you not willing to participate? Are not willing to interact? Yes, then you should be quick. Okay. Next, I'll just put it into the 1 second full screen because the slide is big. Okay, something is missing here. Next, it focuses on those services which are unique and cannot be exactly repeated even by the same service provider. Okay, repetition is not possible. Okay, the same singer, okay, may sing the same song differently on different occasions. May not be possible to repeat the same thing again and again. Okay, you can this can be easily related to these the entertainment industries, the film and the theater artists, film and theater artists. Am I right? Hello? Hello? Am I right? Okay. I'll just exit the full screen and I'm just going to next slide. Examples. I've just mentioned one example. A doctor who pays attention to a patient today may lose his services by next day. Today, the services are very good. He was very patient and everything was fine. But tomorrow, some problem, okay, some other aspects may disturb his services. Exactly with regard to the teachers. One fine day, teacher is in a very, very good mood, very beautifully, explain the things. But the next day, there may be some problem. Same thing happens with regard to this performance. film and theater artists and teachers, they are almost comes under a same scale of measurement. Do you agree with me? Teachers and artists, film and theater artists, they come under almost a scheme and a same scale of performance. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ಸಹ okay, teacher and takshana that particular time he has to forget everything and come there in front of you and he has to perform and go. We have our own examples in the college, and not to mention, okay, some of the people were suffering with this COVID-19, okay, fever, and okay, some of the losses of their nearest and dearest ones, and cremation ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. After cremating their nearest and dearest ones, okay, they have come and performed and delivered the class and went. Not only here, there are several instances, especially, okay, when it comes to the government statements, government of Karnataka, ಎಷ್ಟೋ teachers, okay, they've just lost their lives because of this improper policy of the government. But ಈಗೇನ compensate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, that's fine, but other issue. But the other thing, but the thing is that, okay, teachers and artists, they come under the same scale of measurement. The performance may be or may not be unique, same. It may differ. That's what exactly heterogeneity refers to. Ownership. You cannot own the services. Yeah, they are accountable. I agree. They're accountable. They're answerable. But there should be valid reasons. Should be sufficed. By valid reasons and explanations. Then it is acceptable. Right? Manoj? Agreed? Manoj? Agreed, man? Yes or no? Yeah. Let's continue. Look at this. Rented services. And many of the people are living on rented houses. They cannot own. They can only make use of the services available. There are something called as furnished accommodations. Furnished accommodations. Furnished accommodations. You can only make use of the things available there for a period of time. That's it. You cannot own them. They cannot own them. Got it? Rented space, expertise services. Okay, services of doctors, services of teachers. Okay, if you say I'm here to deliver the class only for the time allotted to me, assigned to me 10 to 11 o'clock. Cannot be owned the services from my end for the whole day. Not possible. Cannot be owned the services. Only for that particular time and moment. That's it. Allotted time is 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Beyond that, the services are not available. All services are all time bounded. Services are all time bounded. Yes, agreed. Am I reaching you? Yeah, whether all explanations are meeting your expectations, whether my examples please. Hello, whether my examples are meeting your expectations? Yes or no? Okay, good. Any more yeses? Higher the number of yeses, higher I'll be happy. More I'll be happy. I have received only 2 yes. Any more yeses that I can expect? Not mandatory. All of you should say yes. Some of you can say no also, no problem. Okay, 3 yes. Any no's? Any no's? Anybody telling no? Yeah, that's fine. I'll just continue. Time is running short. It's already 10:45. I'll have to continue. I have 3 more slides. Now, here is the big question mark. Look at the slide. Look at the slide. And Manoj, tell me, what do you understand by looking at the slide? The question is directly to Manoj. Manoj RD, answer me. What do you understand by looking at the slide? Hello? Manoj? Do you able to hear me? Manoj? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? If turn on, I get off. You can chat with me, no problem. Text me. What do you understand by looking at the slide? Text me, no problem. There are some okay, audio, video ಎಲ್ಲ disable ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, technical aspects in the ಅದು ಬೇಡ. You can chat with me. Anybody else apart from Manoj? What I would like to say by looking at the slide, MBOS, can you drop the same to where? Where to drop? To where? I'm not getting you. Can you drop this chat box? Uh, 1 second. Just give me 2 minutes time. I'll just copy it and put it in the chat box. Okay, I have to. 1 second. Just. Okay, just 1 second. Yeah, look at this. I have few more. I'll put it again. 1 second. There are around 24 different areas where you can think of management of services. There are approximately 24 diverse areas where you can think of management of services. Now the question is whether it is to address management or marketing. Question is whether it is management or marketing or both. Can you give me just one line answer? You tell me whether it is management or marketing or both. Anybody? I agree it's too heavy. I have to take, I have to address these things in the next class. It's already 10:50. Okay. I'm going to address each and every aspect of, yeah, any answers? Rishabh is telling both. Any other answers I can expect from here? And Arjun, Mallu, both. Yeah. I deal that both are interrelated. I deal that both are interrelated. Yes. Yeah. I want more answers. Ananya, yes, we both. Any other things? What about the rest? There are 26 people in the group, man. I'm getting just 4 or 5 answers. What about the rest? I want all of you should actively interact. Don't become passive. Hello? Anybody is telling it's only management? See, management and somebody said it is interrelated. Who is that? Manoj. I go with the Manoj's answer. Both are interrelated. You cannot separate them. Management of services, marketing of services, both are highly interrelated. You cannot separate them. Inseparable. One goes with the other and the other goes with the next. They are interrelated, interconnected. Therefore, if you are addressing management of services, directly or indirectly, you are also dealing with marketing function of the services, at the same time other functions too. In your first paper, that is principles of management, or no, what is that, the one which I handled in the last semester. Okay, management theory paper. Okay, we have discussed about management functions, managerial functions. Now here, if you go with the same kind of theory and the theory aspect, I can say that, okay, MOS, it is management of services, marketing of services, and also rest of the functions, they're also interrelated. They're also all functions of management and services are highly interconnected. Highly interconnected. Sorry, there is some spelling error. Interconnected. Yeah. Any questions? Shall I? I have to address all these 24 areas differently, one by one after the other. It takes me almost 1 week completely to address. Okay, at least on the surface level, not going in depth. I need it almost a week or more than a week time to address all these 24 different areas of your management of services and its diversity. I said diversity is the dynamics. If you say diversity is the dynamics, you need to address all this. If you accept this diversity is the dynamics, okay, you have to address all these 24 areas. Hello? Getting me? Hello? You are getting me? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. And any questions? Coming to the end of the class. Any questions? Shall I close it? Hello, we have 4 minutes left. Shall I close it? Yes? Hello? I'm taking the attendance. Please be there. One second. Just give me a few minutes time. I'll just save it. Okay. Yeah. See you then.